Good evening, students. Today we will discuss some laws of exponent. So, our first thing is zero exponent. For any non-zero rational number a, we define a to the power 0, 1. Any number whose power is 0 is always equal to 1. But remember one thing, non-zero rational number a should be non-zero. Means a to the power 0 is 1 if a is not equal to 0, because if you take 0 to the power 0, then it is always not defined. Okay, you know this thing. So we cannot take a equal to 0, otherwise any number whose power is 0 is always equal to 1. Now there are some another rules. Let a and b be any two rational number, and let m be and n be integers. Then we have first rule is a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. What I mean to say, if the bases are same, then their power will be added. For example, I am taking 2 to the power m into 2 to the power n. Then it will become 2 to the power m plus n. Or you can say, if I am taking 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 6. You can see here bases are same, so the power will be added. This all things you have done in your 8th class. So this will become 3 to the power 11. Now next rule is a to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n, where a is not equal to 0. Means a to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. A should not be equal to 0 here, because something upon 0 is not defined. Okay, or you can say, sometime you can also write it like that, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, or sometime suppose 5 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 3, this can be written as 5 to the power 4 minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 1. But condition is that base should be same. Base should be same. Now our next rule is a to the power m to the whole power n can be written as a to the power mn, or you can say a to the power n to the power m. Means a to the power m to the power n. These two power will be multiplied. A to the power m n. Or you can say, suppose I am taking 5 to the power 2 to the power 3, it can be written as 5 to the power 2 into 3, 5 to the power 6. Now our next rule is, if there is a into b to the power n, this can be written as a to the power n into b to the power n. A into b to the power n can be written as a to the power n into b to the power n. Or sometime you can say, if we have the bases are different, you can see a and b are different and their power is same, so they can be written as a into b whole power n. Suppose I am taking 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. Here you can see bases are different but their power is same, so this can be written as 2 into 5 to the power 3, means 10 to the power 3. We have one more rule. A upon b to the power n can be written as a to the power n upon b to the power n, and b should not be equal to 0, because if b becomes 0, this will become not defined. Okay, a upon b to the power n can be written as a to the power n upon b to the power n. Suppose I am taking 2 to the power 3 to the power 3. So it can be written as 2 to the power 3 upon 3 to the power 3. So these are some basic rules of law of exponent. Dear students, now I am giving you one assignment. This is worksheet 2 of 8th class. Now you are in 9th class. But in 9th class we have very small amount of questions in 9th class. So I am giving you this worksheet for homework. Okay. This is worksheet from 8th class book. This worksheet you have already done. These are very good questions. So you will try these questions which are totally dependent on law of exponents. After doing this worksheet, let us see this worksheet. You have to do up to 4th. You have to do question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. After solving this worksheet, you will try the worksheet given in your first chapter of number system. That will become very easy for you. That is easier than this worksheet. So first you will solve this worksheet which I am showing you in the video. After this, you have to solve the worksheet given in your 9th class textbook, okay, from chapter 1 number system. So this is the homework for you. Thank you. Now in next video I will start next chapter. Thank you.